brakes are broken, it's alright. The tires got air.
Hi, it's June the 27th. This is my last entry for today. I've done a few of them. Some of them very emotional, but I gotta get my ass in here. I'm gonna go to work and pick up my paycheck. 2 days left.
I love the days when it shines. Whoa, let it
I can
shine.
barely contain myself. I know this is gonna blow up and become very, very big. Anyways,
you gotta give in to win. I love the days when
I'm just gonna
whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it shine. Whoa, let it shine.
roll and let it shine. When you're living in final
If I could, I would keep this feeling in a plastic jar. Bust it out whenever someone's acting hard. Settle down, barbecue in the backyard. The kids get treats and old folks get classic cars. Every day that gets to pass is a success, and every woman looks better in a sundress. The sun shines and excuse
Candace,
to shoot
you remember
show improving moves and let